tunes on the radio, act like you're scum. Self-righteous Christmas, bastard each and every one. I don't read the Bible, but I try to love you, man. Every flaw they act, I think I understand. You know what, though? Lyrics.com totally fucked these up.
We got your back.
There's the chorus. Your dogs, who's fun about those? The tat on your neck and the ring on your nose. The weed, the junk food, the violent pornography. Don't you think you wanna be just a little more like me? Still have hopes you could join our community. More of you than you, but we welcome a diversity. You're not white trash like the other neighbors say. If you wanna count the shelters on the TVA. At night when your pit bulls are scaring our children, my wife, I'll be honest here, wants me to shoot them, and sometimes I let my fantasy run. Your dogs, what's fun about those? The tat on your neck and the ring on your nose. The weed, the drug food, the violent pornography. Don't you think you wanna be just a little more like me? Your dogs, what's fun about those? The tat on your neck and the ring to your nose. The weed, the junk food, the violent pornography. Don't you think you wanna be just a little more like me? Yep. Yeah. I should have gone through these, but like, check it out. Like, okay, because I think one of the best writers of our generation wrote these lyrics, and it wasn't me. It was written by Nick Hornby, wrote the lyrics, and I wrote the music. And he said, they've got him saying shit like, let's see. Okay, the weed, that's right, they got weed right. The jump through, it's actually junk food. And violent pornography, and I saw that, and this is the reason that I played a E minor instead of D minor. That was their fault. Anyway, you heard it here first. I never played that one live. I can't believe I could remember it. This one comes with